nicest people ever.
Aside from having enough food and water for multiple days, they were prepared, right? CHP officers say it's a good idea also have your cell phone fully charged, and most importantly, do not leave your location. They will come find you. Take a look at their conditions here. They had to brave. Nicely done.
You guys know your Sacramento history and geography well enough to know that Sacramento, downtown, the core of the city, is built on a floodplain.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's supposed to flood. Would typically flood every winter when we got a good rain. It's flooding right now in the Sacramento Valley in a really big way. It's doing it exactly the way we want it to, and it's doing it so significantly you can see it from space.
Nice.
Cool.
Take a look at the image. This is the satellite image of Northern California yesterday from space. You guys get oriented there. What's that big white patch over on the right-hand side of the screen?
Snow.
That's the snow in the
Nevada.
Sierra. See Sacramento and Elk Grove in the middle. I'm going to change our perspective now, and we're going to come in for a closer look, specifically so that we can see where Sacramento is over here, Davis is over here. What's that brown splotch in the middle?
Is that the Yolo Causeway?
Well, wait a minute. It wasn't there 3 weeks ago. That was us.
Look at that.
That was us 3 weeks ago.
What a drastic change.
That's us today.
Wow.
Very nice.
3 weeks ago. That's us today.
That's cool.
This is the view from space.
That is the Yolo
Amazing.
Causeway. You can see it from space. So this is organized flooding. It's doing exactly what we engineered it to do.
Very nice.
You kind of see how we're oriented there. That's what it looks like as you drive over. You know, when you go over the causeway between Sacramento and Davis, that's a engineered bridge to get over the floodplain that we put there. Here's Sacramento. Here's Davis. Here's Woodland. I'm going to draw the Sacramento River. It's this squiggly line that goes through here. So when the Yolo Causeway floods, that's not the Sacramento River that's flooding there. That is the floodplain that we have redirected the river. There's the Yuba River, there's the Sacramento. Right up here is something called the Fremont Weir. And when the Sacramento River really starts flowing hard, we've engineered a little spillway there so that all that excess water flows out onto that big open area of rice fields and doesn't come into downtown Sacramento. It is such a significant factor about living in this valley. Most of us have no idea about it. Now, hopefully, the next time you drive over the causeway, you'll kind of have a better understanding of the engineered flood you're driving over. All right, thank you. There's the 7-day forecast. Plenty of sunshine from now through Friday. We're going to be in the mid-70s. And then our next chance of rain gets here on Sunday night going into Monday. I'm going to talk to you about that in a lot more detail coming up in a few minutes. For now, guys, back to you.
We'll try to make sure we get out on Saturday. Thank you, Dave.